Hey Lianja developers, it's Herb. There's a very cool method called animate. And what that does is let you slide things around the screen, based on X and Y and height and width and all that fun stuff. I just want to give a quick example of that. Here I've got a bunch of nested containers. What we're looking at here is we've got one container that starts, that really takes the top majority of the middle of the screen, and then you've got another container on the bottom where these buttons are highlighted. In that main container, I've got three other containers, container 1, container 2, container 3. In my resize event, I resize the main screen to be 3 times the width of the current section. So when I refresh that, you're only going to see one section. Right, so now it comes up and it's only one section, and because it's in the resize, even as I move it, you're only going to see one section. Now when I click on button number 2, you're going to see it's going to animate over to the left. It's going to bring in the second page nice and smoothly. And I can go to the third page, also it's going to animate over, and I can go all the way back to the first page. The idea is you have these really nice looking transitions based on animate. And just going to show you a little bit of the code here. In my right over here, I've got my proc click, I've got my command button, and basically it's going to move the containers. All I'm doing is moving it over. Like here, I'll get the page size, I'll get the width of it, it'll know to move it over minus the size of the page. So it's really pretty straightforward, but it's just something nice to know about. Alright,